Hey there, YouTubers, but Super Cool, aka Lil Dance. I'm so damn bright. What's up? We back again with another motherfucking video, man. Y'all know the vibe, man. We just pulled up to our pop's house, man. You know what I'm saying?
About to get.
You know what I'm talking about? He sounds sleepy as fuck. But I'll give up. I'm just playing. Finna pop up in that bitch, see what's going on. He said he shot 2 of them 4 dogs. I don't see them bitches no more. They probably dead now. Nah, I see them. Damn. He said they did some voodoo on them motherfuckers. Brought that back to life. I ain't fucking with them folks. Gang, I'm not. So I had Duran got hungry over that bit. So I'm finna goddamn go to Little Caesar. This is Little Caesar down the street. Last time I ate Little Caesar, that shit was busting. I'm finna goddamn go get me something else. Ooh, pothole. God damn. Rough ass terrain out here. Okay. Crazy ass, but god damn. Steering wheel finna tell off this bitch. That bitch ain't good. Yeah, damn. Y'all know, bro, I missed the turn coming to my boss house like 4 times. That whole time, I was on the street and all I had to do was go straight or turn right. And my dumb ass ain't do neither one. Missed the goddamn turn. 3-4 damn times. Had to call him, get the address. That's how we got there. But I'm finna go to Little Caesar, man, order this PCV. Let's go. Come here. Hey, we're gonna get that block.
This is different.
Oh, we on. Come on. Don't come on there. How you want?
What's that?
Yeah.
Get out of there.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying, though?
I'm gonna get them blocks in there. He can make me right, shoot that. He shoot those. He just ain't hit no 3s like that.
This motherfucker just stop and look at the man.
Slow.
Without me even reaching.
No, you see how bad I'm crossing you feel. See, you pin the handles on niggas, they gonna do that. Ain't no way, bro.
And then he gonna stand there and look at the motherfucker instead of just grabbing.
It's KD, man.
It's KD, man. Got his yam though. Yam sandwich.
I'll get him back. What? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And I'll take it to the racket. And I'm taking him to the racket. KD? Ain't no motherfucking way, bro. How you want? I'm gonna let you choose how you want it. How you want this shit, Pop? You want it the easy way? That nigga feeling it all. Nigga feeling it all now. Come on now. No, that boy.
But he don't know what he doing. He fall off that bitch. If he fall off, listen, I'm over that bitch shaking, bruh. Cause I know he can't ride that damn thing for real. And then he going fast. That shit making me nervous, bruh. Fuck you at? So he ain't coming back. Stop driving so damn fast. Oh shit. Your ass on the goddamn motorcycle, man. He got me nervous and shit. The hell is you doing?
I got a cat.
Put that stray motherfucker down.
These breeders silver down the street. I'll tell you that right now.
Officer, I got one question for you. What are those?
Nobody. Hey.
I put that bitch with a vibe. Put this beam on the carbon. I put this Drake on the charger. Beat up that bitch like a Dodgers. Race longer than Martin. I came to school tardy. I was fucking your down, they look like water. I'm fucking your daughter. Look below being lit. Everywhere I go, got a chopper blowing and rapping. I ride to rock down with the bus down for the 1 GC. Now the whole links is a whole head reach. Put the little hole on the line, the boy, I get this shit on the link. I took the money, got my money, then my off run the fuck, don't get no chopper. We be my twin, we be on the step.
Damn what I'm saying, hey, bruh.
Let me get up out of here.
Look at the fucking weather, bruh.
Show him something, show him something.
Look outside.
Just look at it. Hold on, let me get out there. My goddamn bottle.
The wind is blowing harder than my dick. Holy fuck.
The top boy see that weather, man. It's a bad day today. I'll turn that bitch around. Yes, sir. And I can see. Bad day today.
What the ice cream make?
I came in the motherfucking thing, nigga.
The kid. I'm dead here. That nigga Bob said, nigga, ooh. For real.
Right here, nigga, right here.
Yeah, my face.
I did Bob like that. Bob, can we do?
Nigga, what?
Get my fucking favorite, you got it. Nigga, what?
I did.
So tell me, well, we were just playing Warzone now. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to play with me, they got my gamer tag. You know what I'm saying? Or y'all can use that. No, we playing Warzone now. We ain't win shit. We ain't win a fuck ass game. We played 7 games. We did win. I'm lying. We won something. We won 1 game out of 10, I think. We did play like 10 games, I ain't gonna lie. We only won 1 fucking time. The game I did go crazy. I had like a lump. And there was like, what, 5 people left? I got shot in the back. Fuck this game. Activision, you a bitch. Stop making Call of Duty. You're terrible. Don't do that shit no more. That shit was just the fakeness on this game don't make no goddamn sense. I shouldn't be able to shoot a rocket launcher at a nigga while he in my face this motherfucking close and not even break a shield. How the fuck is that possible? But a nigga can snipe me 1 time, I've dropped. I hit a nigga with a rocket launcher. Don't even break a shield. How? How the fuck that makes sense? I'm done playing this game. I don't even want to talk to you bitches no more. I'm talking about Activision, not y'all. Y'all who watching the video, I appreciate you for watching the video. And if you made it this far, like the video. Or I'm never making another video again.
Press play.
Blah, 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 blah.